Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine by Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. So viewers and my dear students and learners, today I will discuss about past participle and perfect participle. In my last video I have discussed participle and the form of participle, present participle, okay, and the uses of this participle in various sentences. And today I will discuss about participle, that means past participle and perfect participle, and another topic, gerund, and the difference between or similarity between gerund and participle. Okay, so let's see what is participle. Again, that means I have discussed it already in my last video. A participle is such type of verb or the form of verb which is partly verb and partly an adjective. Okay, and past participle, besides present participle, there is another participle which is known as past participle. Past participle is such type of participle of which action is already completed, and we know that present participle is such type of participle of which action is going on or active, and past participle of which action is already completed. Okay, and verb plus ing, present participle, and verb plus ed, t, etc, en, past participle. Okay, past participle দ্বারা কোনো কাজ সম্পন্ন হয়েছে এরূপ বুঝিয়ে থাকে. That means in sentence it is a broken chair. I want a cup of boiled water to make tea. Deceived by her near one, she lost all hopes. Okay, we feel, or I feel, attraction to the trays laden with fruits or laden with flowers. Here in these sentences, broken, boiled, laden, okay, all are examples of past participle of which action is already completed. And next, perfect participle. Perfect participle is called combined participle. Why combined? Because it is combined with present participle and past participle. In a sentence, having done the work, I went out. The sun having risen, we walked out. The weather being fine or being very fine, I went out. All are examples of perfect participle. So here all these are participles. Present participle, verb plus ing, of which action is going on. Past participle, verb plus ed, en, etc, of which action is already completed. And perfect participle is combined participle with present participle and past participle. Okay, now the term is gerund. So the gerund has exactly the same form as the present participle, like verb plus ing is equal to gerund. Speak plus ing, speaking. Read plus ing, reading. Okay, example of gerund. Gerund can be used in the following ways, like a subject of a sentence, complement of a verb, object of preposition, and object of a verb in a sentence. Okay, So let's see subject, how it is used in a sentence as subject of a verb, gerund. Okay, so here maybe reading pleases me. Here reading is example of gerund. Writing bored her. Writing is an example of gerund and it is used as subject of a sentence. Writing, reading. Okay. Walking is a good habit. What is a good habit? The answer is walking, and walking here is gerund. Swimming is good for health. Okay, so all these are used in a sentence or in sentences as subject of a verb and they are used as gerund. Now as complement of a verb, that means my hobby is gardening. Gardening comes after the verb is. Okay, she likes painting. Okay, and painting comes after the verb likes. Okay, number 3, gerund can be used as after prepositions or object of a preposition. How? Let's say in a sentence, as he was accused of smuggling. Okay, accused of smuggling. There was no hope or scope of waiting, and gerund comes after preposition of. And finally, gerund can be used in a sentence as object of a verb. Object of a verb. That means he dislikes working late. We enjoyed reading more, and she likes swimming in the river, etc. All are used as object of a sentence. Okay, and all are examples of gerund. Gerund, both the gerund and infinitive have the force of a noun and verb and have the same meaning. That means gerund and infinitive can be used like same meaning. So in many sentences either of them may be used without any special difference. Okay, in meaning, like to walk is good for health. To walk, infinitive, and we may use gerund with same meaning, like walking is good for health. To find fault is easy. Okay, it can be used with gerund like finding fault is easy. He likes to play games. He likes playing games. Okay, to play, infinitive, and playing, of course, gerund. Fruits are good to eat. Flowers are good to look at. And it may be used as gerund with same meaning. Fruits are good for eating, and here it is used as object of preposition for. That means gerund এবং ইনফিনিটিভ যেহেতু একই মিনিং দেয় অথবা সেম মিনিং দেয়, সুতরাং যে কোনো একটি ইউজ করা যেতে পারে. ওকে, both have the same meaning. Okay, so here one point is to remember that gerund can be used as the form of the verb which ends in ing and has the force of a noun and verb. That's why it is called double parts of speech like participle. Okay, and another point is to remember that all verbal nouns are not gerund, but all gerund are verbal nouns. All verbal nouns are not gerund, but all gerund are verbal nouns. Verbal noun or nouns. ভার্বাল নাউন থেকে ভার্ব তৈরি হলেও এতে কেবলমাত্র নাউনের ফোর্স থাকে, কিন্তু জিরান্ডে নাউন এবং ভার্ব দুটোরই ফোর্স থাকে, দুটোরই ইম্পর্টেন্স থাকে। দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইট ইজ কল্ড double parts of speech. Okay, so viewers and my dear learners, today I have discussed gerund and participle. If you understand it, please like my video and share it more and more to get more new videos like this, and I will discuss another new topic in my next video. Till then, remain safe, take care of you, and pray for me more and more. Till then, Allah Hafiz.